So, assalamualaikum to everyone. Hi guys. See, this is our roof. It's like 1 o'clock in afternoon. How sunny here. How much sunny and very hot. Very hot. Extremely hot here in Pakistan right now. So what we're gonna do, we're gonna try one experiment. If it's really real that the egg can be cooked through the sun. This is the plate. This is the egg, fresh egg. Gonna open it and we will leave it for maybe half an hour or 1 hour. Let's see what will happen, if it is real that it will cook. Okay.
Nagiging cook siya. So, yung ibon. Two degrees outside. So I'm gonna put this oil, cooking oil. Put the cooking oil.
First attempt. So this is the second attempt. I put the oil also, but it didn't cook like what we saw in the other video. So it means that it's a fake. So no problem, at least we tried. It half cooked, but the egg is not been cooked properly. So that's all. Bye bye.